Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalinakshi Swamy, welcoming back to my channel, Smart Index Edge. Many people do not understand the name Episodic Pivot. Episodic Pivot is a momentum. Actually, it is an institutional money. It When that is reflected on the chart with the high volume, you will come to know that something is going to change. So you might have seen some stocks suddenly take off or fall down with explosive momentum even after staying silent for days. Actually, I am on the chart of Amber Enterprises. It had gone silent after an up move, range bound, and it was silently distributing itself. You can see the explosive momentum towards the downside. It is not random, it is the market way of revealing a turning point. Here, my indicator located this momentum downwards and it plotted this. So it is not a random thing. It is the market's way of revealing a turning point. So it revealed that it is going to turn towards the downside, a shift that often begins with a single episode of high volume and price action. That's why it has reflected, and it quotes that on 29th 10/25, that is October 29th, this episodic event has happened with high volume at the price level of 8312. That is reflecting why both BU and BE is, it is reflection through the options. That's why it is showing both the things. At this point, anything, suppose if it is a bearish or bullish, same thing will be reflected. And if the price starts moving above that, it will become a bullish thing. Or if it starts trading below that, it becomes a bearish thing. Now in this, I am on the chart of uh, this Amber Enterprises. You can see over here, after consolidation, it was a false breakout and then it started breaking down. Earnings is in around the corner, around 6th of this month. So we are seeing this huge momentum before the earnings. And the episodic pivot marks the birth of a new trend. It is that powerful moment when institutions quietly step in, volume surges, and price break through key levels. My indicator picks up those things and it is plotting on that. This is an advantage for everybody, you people. You can trade with this, showing us that something big is about to unfold. In simple terms, episodic pivot is like the market's heartbeat, one strong pulse that tells you a stock is waking up from its sleep. If we can learn to recognize that moment, we can align ourselves with big players, enter early, and ride the move before the crowd even notices. In this session, I am showing you with the example of just Amber Enterprises, how you could have positioned yourself with this episodic event indicator towards the downside. So I'm going to show it to you. See, it suggests the strike price 8,000 over here. Now at present it has come down and it is suggesting on yesterday it has suggested 8,000 strike price. Let us apply 8,000 call option and 8,000 put option. I'm going to the 8,000 call option. You can see how it is falling. From 404, the day it has reflected, it has come down now down to, already it is trading around 299. And it is saying that 300 is the deadline for this. 300 yes, price is the deadline and 404 is the one. Suppose if I go to the put option, same put option, 8,000 put option, it is suggesting, I've given you all two indicators. One is pullback and reversal, and another one is EP reflection on the underlying. So this indicator is reflecting that the price 229. It has formed episodic event high momentum around 229. So you can mark this to 229 on your chart. Let me go to the uh, 5 minutes chart, 5 minutes chart, and even though, see, the price moved up on 30th to 337, it has come down. This will act as the support. This is the retracement. It will act as the support. Again, one more episodic pivot has been formed around 246. You can mark down the 246 latest one, and you can keenly watch if it is going to sustain this or any retracement above this, and it is a buying opportunity for this Amber Enterprises. It is not a suggestion for you people to trade on that. I am just showing you people how you can utilize the episodic pivot and suggestions, and you can mark those levels as a guideline for your trade. That's what you can do that. Actually, it is suggesting that anything below 246, this put option is going to become bearish. And if I go to the call option, 8,000 call option, if I see that anything above 259, it is going to be bullish. But you cannot expect that to go up to bullish episode if the price is around see, we can track now the price is around 299, and the price it is suggesting 259. Let us see 259 marks. Let us mark this 259. A bullish episode was formed very long back on the last month 23rd October. This was the, so if it comes down and test this level, it may react. So you can keep this watch list on your watch list. This is the event has happened. From that event, price had moved up. Now it is coming down, and from the episodic pivot, it is a pullback. We can consider this, and we can track this also for your trade. So it is an advantage for you people to trade on the options. You can utilize to trade on the equities also. Yesterday morning I had made the video to track for that. Okay, utilize this properly, apply your mind, understand the concept. Episodic pivot is the institutional event based event actually. That means big surge of volume. Who can create the big surge of volume? Nothing other than institutions. Neither retailers cannot do this. So we are tracking that. We are trying to go along with the institutional money. So if you are along with the institutional money, you are going to be profitable. That is the idea for coding this indicator, to identify the institutional footprints. So I have explained it to you. Understand. It takes time for you people to understand. But once you understand, once you get hold of this, then it is a magical indicator. With the rolling pivot reversal magic, that is a structural indicator which is guiding you for every step for the trend as well as the balance. Sorry, friends. So try to understand this and trade wisely. Thank you very much. I wish you all happy and profitable trading day.